as you all know, we were going through the difficulty level easy, so I applied the filter, and let's solve this question first for the day. So this question says given integer x, return true if x is palindrome, otherwise it's false. So in this example, x is equal to 121. So as you know, 121 is a palindrome number. So for those people who do not know about palindrome, so palindrome are those numbers which can be seen from left as well as the right side. Okay. So x is a palindrome number. Over here x is palindrome number just because it is 121 from left side as well as from right side it's also 121. But when you come to this part, so from left side it's minus 121 and from right side is it's 121 and this minus sign over there, so like this one. So it's not a palindrome. Again, when you come to this example, so it's 10 from left side and from right side it will be 01, so it's not a palindrome number. So let's solve this question. So I have two methods for this problem. The first one is like you just simply convert it into the string and check it by reversing the string. That's a very simple example, but there is a constraint over here that we do not have to convert it to a string. So second method would be like we have to do some operations with this number, and then we would prove that whether it is palindrome or not. So the simplest way to go through this exercise is basically first we would check that whether a number is greater than 0 or not. Okay, like it should not basically it should not be less than 0. So let's do it. So if x is less than 0, we would simply return false. Okay, so and again we would perform our operation. If x is greater than equal to 0, then we will perform our operation and check whether it is palindrome or not. So this method we would apply in our second solution. For the first solution, we do not need to check anything. What we have to do, we just have to make the this thing as a string. Okay, let me simplify it. stx. Okay, so it will be str of x. Now we would make it reverse of stx. Okay, so for that it will be like str of x minus 1. As you all know that to reverse a string we just do this thing, either it is a string or array, we just do this thing and it would get like reversed. Okay, so for Python, basically it's for Python. I don't know about other language whether it's work or not. So if these two are equal, like if these two if this is the case, then we just simply need to return true. Otherwise we need to return false. Yes. So, okay, let's run it and check whether we are true or not, like the solution is fine or not. So it passes all the test cases. Let's check for internal test cases. Yeah, so it has been accepted. So this is one of the solution. So we can simplify it whether by going through these 4, 5, 6 lines. We just do it in one line, and that will be return str x equal to str x. So instead of these all lines, this one line will do our job. Okay. Okay, so all the test cases are accepted over here. Now go for submission. So this test is also have been accepted. Okay. So instead of writing these many lines, we can just give a single line and it will do. Okay. For the second method, I will discuss that in our next video. Okay, I will let you know that explaining the second method, and by the meantime you guys try that method, and you can provide that solution in comment section. So done for this video. See you in the next video.